So I have Kaden Bell here. Kaden, where did you come in from for this weekend's training?
Come from East St. Louis, Illinois.
And how long of a drive was that?
About 9 to 10 hours.
Wow. Was it worth it?
Oh yeah.
My man, my man. So what did you think of Friday's business and marketing training?
Well, as a young man, it's a lot of insights on starting a business, running the business, all the steps you need to start it, everything you need to run it.
So you felt that Friday actually will help get you started and put you in the fast
Oh
lane.
yeah, oh yeah, and put me ahead of everyone else who's just starting.
Right. So are you going to be mobile or work out of a shop or both?
So I'm gonna be working at a shop starting off, but I'm going to incorporate being mobile. Because,
Good and mobile too.
It's
Excellent.
a detail business.
That's it, man. What did you think of Saturday's training, which was the contact wash, paint correction, and ceramic coating?
Well, it was really extensive, long day, but worth it. Besides just washing the car, ceramic coating, stuff I didn't even know about.
Paint correction?
Paint correction.
Yeah, you made this Jeep look amazing. Look at this. This is absolutely astonishing because it came in and it was horrible.
Yeah.
So you're pretty proud. You should be really proud of what you did.
Oh yeah, and I mean thanks for Nick. Hey, thanks to Chris. Hey, great trainer. Nick, a great cheater.
Thank you.
Hey,
You did a great student, man.
Thank you.
And today was the interior day, and you also did some headlight restoration. What did you think of the interior training?
so I'll say, learn that it's not just about cleaning it. It's about cleaning it and how it looks after it's clean.
Right.
And that's the most important step.
And that's all about detailing.
Yep.
So you are now Jade Ceramic Co. certified, coating certified, okay, and details are certified. So that should open up a lot of doors for you, brother.
Yep.
Thank you so much. You're a great student.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.